Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Antigravity and Claude Code using another method. In this method, we are going to open Claude Code directly inside Google Antigravity. This makes everything feel cleaner because your project, your files, and your Claude Code commands are all in one place. Step 1. Open Google Antigravity. First, open Google Antigravity on your computer. Once it opens, you want to open the project folder that you want to work on. If you already have a project, click Open Folder and choose that project. If you do not have a project yet, create a new folder first, then open that folder inside Google Antigravity. This folder is important because it is where all your project files will be saved. Claude Code will also work inside this same folder. Step 2. Open the built-in command window. Now, inside Google Antigravity, look for the built-in command window. You can usually open it from the top menu or by looking for an option that says Terminal or Command Window. Once you open it, you should see a small command area at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can type commands without leaving Google Antigravity. This is useful because you do not need to open another app. Everything stays inside the same workspace. Step 3. Check that you are inside the right folder. Before starting Claude Code, make sure the command window is already inside your project folder. Most of the time, when you open the command window inside Google Antigravity, it will already open in the folder you are working on, but it is still good to check. If it is not in the right folder, type CD, then add the folder location and press Enter. After that, you will be inside the correct project folder. Step 4. Start Claude Code. Now that the command window is inside the project folder, you can start Claude Code. Type the command that opens Claude Code, then press Enter. If this is your first time using it, it may ask you to sign in. Follow the steps on the screen and connect your Claude account. After Claude Code opens, it should now be connected to the same folder you opened in Google Antigravity. You can ask Claude Code to look at your project. You can type something simple like, check this project and explain what it does. Or you can ask, show me the main files I should understand first. This is a good first step because you do not want to make changes right away. It is better to let Claude Code understand the project first, then you can ask it to help you. And that's another method to integrate Google Antigravity and Claude Code. This method is easier because you run Claude Code directly inside Google Antigravity, keep everything in one workspace, and check your project changes right away. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.